everyone, it's Marky. I just wanted to talk about this Jaws salt box that I have. I absolutely love it. I wanted something on my counter that I could keep my ground salt in that I buy. I didn't want to have the actual container that it comes in from the store sitting on my counter. I wanted something that looks pretty and presentable, but still is functional. The base itself is solid marble and it's decently deep. It holds about 300 grams of salt. I don't have to refill it very often. The lid is solid wood and it just sits on top perfectly. The spoon is a golden little spoon, sits right there. I keep it right next to my stove for easy access. I've loved it. You could honestly put any other herb or spice you wanted in here too. I've been thinking about getting one for pepper, so I have a little matching set. The base has these little rubber feet, so it won't slide around. You could also put small jewelry in here. Basically anything that's small that you need to keep contained in a pretty aesthetic looking container. I would highly recommend this. It's been manhandled by my children. They haven't broken it. It's really hefty. I think I've had it for about 6 months and I absolutely love it. So if you are in the market for something like this, you want something pretty that looks nice on your countertop that still has a functionality, or something in your bathroom to hold your earrings or small jewelry, I would highly recommend this. And I hope this helped. Thank you.